ClearBooks accounting software simplifies financial management for businesses with its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. From invoicing to expense tracking, it offers efficient tools for small and medium-sized enterprises. With its cloud-based platform, ClearBooks enables real-time collaboration and accessibility from anywhere. ClearBooks' intuitive design makes accounting tasks less discouraging, empowering businesses to focus on growth. Here are some key features of the ClearBooks accounting software: audit management, bank reconciliation, recurring as subscription billing, budgeting, forecasting, financial analysis. Let's have a look at some benefits of using ClearBooks accounting software: efficiency and time savings, financial management, enhanced accuracy and compliance, accessibility and remote collaboration, scalability, user-friendly interface, cloud-based access, customer support. At Meru Accounting, we provide services custom to your business needs. Our team of experts proficient in ClearBooks accounting software, ensuring seamless financial management. With our specialized knowledge and hands-on experience, we guarantee efficient utilization of ClearBooks to optimize your accounting processes. Here are some services we offer using ClearBooks accounting software: bookkeeping services, financial reporting, invoicing and billing management, tax preparation and compliance, payroll processing, budgeting management. By partnering with us at Meru Accounting, you gain access to a dedicated team of ClearBooks experts committed to maximizing the potential of your financial operations.
Contact us now to make better business.